In this video, we will talk about Top 10 Topics in Earth Science. 1. Plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the theory explaining how the Earth's outer shell, or lithosphere, is divided into several large and small plates that glide over the mantle, the layer beneath the crust. These plates move slowly, typically only a few centimeters per year, but their movements have significant effects. They cause earthquakes, form volcanoes, and create mountains. There are three main types of plate boundaries where these movements occur. Divergent boundaries. Plates move apart from each other. This can create new crust as magma rises from below the Earth's surface, forming mid-ocean ridges and rift valleys. Convergent boundaries. Plates move towards each other. One plate may be forced under another in a process called subduction, leading to the formation of mountains, volcanic activity, and oceanic trenches. Transform boundaries. Plates slide past each other horizontally. This side-by-side movement can cause earthquakes along faults, such as the San Andreas Fault in California. Understanding plate tectonics is crucial because it helps explain the distribution and causes of seismic activity, like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It also helps scientists predict where future geological events might occur and understand the formation of various geological features, such as mountain ranges, ocean basins, and earthquake zones. This knowledge is vital for preparing for natural disasters and understanding the Earth's geological history. 2. Earthquakes. Earthquakes occur when there is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, causing the ground to shake. This release of energy typically happens because tectonic plates, which make up the Earth's surface, are moving and rubbing against each other at fault lines. To measure earthquakes, seismographs are used. These instruments record the shaking of the ground. Earthquakes are rated based on their magnitude, which indicates how powerful they are, and their intensity, which shows how much damage they cause. The effects of earthquakes can be quite severe, leading to significant destruction of buildings and infrastructure. Often, after an earthquake, there are smaller shakes called aftershocks that can cause further damage. Understanding earthquakes is crucial for preparing for these natural events and for designing buildings and structures that can withstand them. Proper preparation and construction can help reduce the damage and protect lives during an earthquake. 3. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are formed when magma from deep within the Earth's crust pushes its way to the surface, leading to eruptions of lava, ash, and gases. There are several types of volcanoes, including shield volcanoes, composite volcanoes, and cinder cone volcanoes. Each type has its own way of erupting. For example, shield volcanoes have broad, gentle slopes and produce flowing lava, while composite volcanoes have steeper profiles and can erupt explosively. Volcanic eruptions can dramatically alter the landscape by creating new landforms, such as mountains and craters. They can also affect the climate by releasing ash and gases into the atmosphere. Additionally, eruptions can be dangerous to people and property nearby. On the positive side, volcanic eruptions contribute to the creation of fertile soil, which is beneficial for agriculture. They also help in forming new land over time. To manage the risks associated with volcanoes, scientists monitor them closely to predict eruptions and take steps to protect communities living near volcanic areas. 4. Weather and climate. Weather and climate are both important but refer to different things. Weather describes the short-term conditions in the atmosphere, like whether it's raining, sunny, windy, or cold on a particular day. It can change quickly and affects our daily activities. For example, weather forecasts help us decide if we need an umbrella or sunscreen for the day. Climate, on the other hand, refers to the long-term average of weather patterns in a specific area, usually over 30 years or more. It includes things like the typical temperature and rainfall for a region. Climate helps us understand what the usual weather is like in a place over a long period, such as knowing that a region has a hot, dry climate or a cold, wet climate. Both weather and climate are influenced by factors like solar radiation, the sun's energy, ocean currents, which can warm or cool coastal areas. Altitude. Higher places are usually cooler. And geographical location, such as being near the equator or poles. Understanding the weather is useful for planning daily activities, while knowing about climate is important for studying environmental changes over time. For example, climate knowledge is essential for addressing issues like global warming and preparing for extreme weather events. 5. Oceans and oceanography. Oceans cover about 71% of the Earth's surface and are vital for regulating climate, supporting marine life, and providing resources. Ocean currents, driven by wind and differences in water density, distribute heat around the planet and influence weather patterns. Marine ecosystems are diverse, ranging from coral reefs to deep-sea trenches. Human activities like pollution and overfishing threaten ocean health. Studying oceanography helps us understand and protect these critical environments. 6. The atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding the Earth, crucial for life. It consists of layers: the troposphere, where weather occurs; stratosphere, which contains the ozone layer; mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The atmosphere protects us from harmful solar radiation and helps regulate temperature. It's composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, with trace gases like carbon dioxide. Human activities have introduced pollutants, impacting air quality and contributing to climate change. 7. The hydrosphere. The hydrosphere includes all water on Earth, in oceans, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and underground. The water cycle describes how water moves through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. This cycle is essential for distributing water and supporting ecosystems. Freshwater resources are crucial for drinking, agriculture, and industry, but are often threatened by pollution and overuse. Sustainable management of water resources is vital for ensuring their availability for future generations. 8. Geology and rocks. Geology studies the Earth's physical structure and substances, including rocks, which are classified as igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. The rock cycle describes the transformations between these types through processes like melting, cooling, erosion, and pressure. Understanding geology helps us learn about Earth's history and the formation of natural resources like minerals. Rocks and minerals are essential for construction, technology, and industry. Responsible resource management ensures their sustainable use. 9. Natural disasters. Natural disasters include events like earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, hurricanes, floods, and landslides. These disasters result from natural processes and can cause significant damage and loss of life. Understanding the causes and effects of natural disasters helps in predicting, preparing for, and mitigating their impact. Early warning systems, building codes, and emergency preparedness plans are crucial for reducing risks and ensuring safety during such events. 10. Environmental science and sustainability. Environmental science studies how natural systems interact and how human activities impact the environment. Sustainability involves using resources in a way that meets current needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. Key practices include renewable energy, conservation, and sustainable agriculture. Environmental science addresses issues like pollution, climate change, and biodiversity loss. Global cooperation and responsible policies are essential for protecting the environment and promoting sustainability. Each of these 10 topics in Earth science provides a foundational understanding of the Earth's processes, systems, and the impact of human activities. Plate tectonics explains the movement of continents and the formation of mountains and earthquakes. Earthquakes and volcanoes demonstrate the dynamic nature of the Earth's interior. Weather and climate influence daily life and long-term environmental patterns. Oceans regulate climate and support diverse ecosystems. The atmosphere protects life and drives weather patterns. The hydrosphere includes all water on Earth and is essential for life. Geology and rocks reveal the Earth's history and provide valuable resources. Natural disasters highlight the need for preparedness and mitigation. Environmental science focuses on sustainability and protecting the planet for future generations. By studying these topics, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet, its processes, and our role in maintaining its health and stability. This knowledge is crucial for addressing the challenges of the modern world and ensuring a sustainable future. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.